Alright, so here we have some and compound inequalities, and so the same rules apply with the inequality signs and how you're going to graph them, but the idea here is you have two inequalities that you're working with. One is x is less than x plus 4, and one is x plus 4 is less than 12. So when it's set up like this, you can actually solve both at once. It's pretty easy. You just minus 4 from all three sides. And I'm just going to write the solution of that down here. 8 minus 4 is 4. It's less than. X is by itself. Less than 8. And so this is a, it's going to give like a dumbbell look. 4 is less than x is the same as x is greater than 4 if you flip the inequality and the value because you want the x on the left side. So I'm simply going to take the number line. I'm going to write a 4 underneath. It's an open circle in the inequality, so it's open circle in the graph. And you're going to the right. X is going to be greater than 4. And you're going to go to the right until you bump into 8, because x is less than 8. So on the number line, you find 8. This is also open circle, and since we're going to the left, they connect and they make this little dumbbell shape. Alright, and now over here, we've got ourselves another and compound inequality, and this is one that's a little bit more tricky. Please excuse this right here. I had to change the inequality sign to a greater than. And we're going to solve for x. But you'll notice on the left side, there's a 12x here. So you actually need to break this down into two compound inequalities. One is going to be 12x is greater than 6x minus 12. And the other one is going to be 6x minus 12 is less than or equal to 24. Alright, so let's just solve one of these at a time. You want to combine variables, and so we already want all the variables on the left-hand side when we're writing this, so I'm actually going to subtract 6x here from both sides. So this is 6x is greater than negative 12. Divide by 6, and x is greater than negative 2. So I'm just going up to the number line. I'm going to find negative 2, open circle, and it's greater than, so we're going to the right. All right, your second inequality, we're going to run out of room here too as well. We need to add 12 on both sides. We'll come down with it. This is 6x is less than or equal to 24 and 12, make 36. Divide by 6, and x is less than or equal to positive 6. So this negative 2, this value is going to go to the right because it's everything greater than negative 2 until it bumps into 6, and it's everything less than or equal to, so closed circle 6, so it's going to go to the left, and it's going to make this segment, this dumbbell shape.